Morning crew, another adventure, another mission. So travelled 3.5, 4 hours to get here. The whole country is got forecasts for strong winds this weekend, or it's Friday, Saturday. So I got here quite exposed open river, so I'm going to see if I can at least get 3 or 4 hours before the wind drives me away, because it's supposed to turn and blow downstream quite hard, in which case I might have to move locations. I'm going to camp out the night, or a night or two, depending on how things go. So cheers for checking in, crew, and hopefully I'll find something for you shortly. First fish I've seen, that real black thing there, right on the edge. It's a shame. I missed all that, the hook up, the whole lot. The battery in the GoPro went flat just as I blimmin' got a reasonable drift, and I got the fish. So it's 3 pounds, 3.5 pound hen, a little bit on the thin side, but nice way to open the account, shall we say, for this trip. So we'll just get her back in, and hopefully she can get away and fatten up a bit. Well, I was casting to a fish, and while I was casting to it, another fish was coming. Whoa, grab my nymph. So nice to be in again. And I think this one could be a lot better fish. Oh yeah, looks like a good brownie. Great looking brownie. Look at that. Oh yeah, lovely. Oh yeah, we got a clonker. Great brownie. Well, how's that, crew? Casting to a different fish, didn't even see that one, and he just come out of nowhere. 5 pound. Look at the spots on him. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you, buddy. Okay, so I'm going to change locations. I've probably about a K from the truck. I noticed fresh boot prints, and I thought that's weird. It rained last night, and then there's a wagon parked here, and I see he's got a fly rod in his, so he must have a few. So I assume he's fished that water and gone upstream, so no point in me carrying on. So I will clear off, try and find somewhere else. And the sun's come out now. That's half the reason why I've travelled so quickly too. I couldn't see in the water. It was just a mirror, just glare. Being big open river banks, there's no backdrop, no trees, high cliffs or anything to get rid of that glare in the gloomy days. But now it looks like the sun's going to come out, so not sure where I'll go. Well, I'll find somewhere. Okay, so plan B, I've come to another river. I was walking down the road and I thought, I better try and find access somewhere. Popped into the farmhouse, and where I was going to go, the farmer said, it's a good thing you called in here, because if you had to walk down there, you would have walked all that way for nothing, because there's bluffs and things down there, and I don't think I can cross the river here. There's the river here. So top bloke that the farmer was, give me a lift down here on his quad, so it saved me probably a K's walk, so appreciate that. Yeah, so the wind is blowing straight downstream, but I'm going to walk up here a bit and then go back towards the hills that way, so I should have the wind behind me. So fingers crossed we find something. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Alright, well, we're in. Don't know how big the fish is, I haven't seen it yet. Really trying to cast into this headwind here. Oh, there it is, a lovely little brownie. See if I can land him up here. Good stuff. Good brown, good brown. Smaller fish. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh yes, we got him. Good stuff. Oh, well, that's good. That's good. So plan B's worked thus far. One of the fattest hen fish I've seen this season. Beautiful. Lovely little, I know, 2.5 pounder. Hey you, my dear. Beautiful. I've changed flies and the fish is still there, so let's see if I can get him on something else. If I can get the fly near him, that is. Oh, yes, we got him that time. He come right over and in. Good stuff. Ah, yes. Challenging conditions in the wind, a couple of fish, and I got a lot of water to fish yet, so great. This is a good brown, good brown. Lovely little guy, sitting in here feeding away. Really give me a run for me money. Boy, oh boy. Oh. Oh, gotta get his head up. Come on. Oh yeah, there we go. Good stuff. Well, quite lucky there to get another shot at him after I missed him on the first time he took. The second time, this guy's 3 pound. Doesn't really look like a 3 pound fish, but boy oh boy, super fit, fat, good brown, good brown. Love it. Thanks, buddy. Oh, hey! Oh, there's another one. I didn't even see him. Otherwise, I would have hit the record button, but that's all right. Sort of casting sideways with the wind behind me. Yeah. Oh, lovely brownie. Oh yeah, acrobatic. This one. Yeah. Oh goodness. Get him just while he's in the shallows there. Oh. Okay, buddy. Come on. Oh, there we go, got it. Yeah! So they're getting bigger. Beautiful browns though, aren't they? They look like younger fish. This one here's missing a bit of his tail, but still beautiful browns. Thanks, buddy. Away he goes. Lunchtime. What a beautiful spot. I'm out of the wind here. That wind unfortunately now is really, really strong, so I might just have to walk up and find where the river heads inland so I get the wind behind me. But just have a wee 10-minute break here, have some lunch, recharge a little bit and get back into it. I mean, nice to get those 3 fish just like that in quick succession. So yeah, never been here before. Oh, bugger. You know what happened there? I had cast up in the fast water there, and then I looked further up, or further in rather, and I thought, oh crikey, there's a good shape there. And then it darted off out, whoa, then it darted off out to the centre and took my nymph. So another one where I missed the take, but this is the first fish I've seen since lunch, and it looks like a good brown, holy dooly. That's a great looking fish, that. Oh yes, a lovely brownie. Good stuff. I must admit I'm quite knackered. The wind is really howling now, and even though it's behind me, it's still been giving me a bit of hard time. Yes, a great fish. Get him. He's so happy. Lovely green back on him. Come on. Oh yeah. Wonderful. Look at that for a brownie. Oh well, I was beginning to wonder if I was going to get any more today. But this guy, wow, 5.5 pound. Hey, clonking. Good brown, that fella. Look at him. Hey. What an epic fight. He moved probably 2 meters to take that fly. Thank you, buddy. So, cracker. Absolutely beautiful. He's beautiful. G'day crew, well that's it, the day's done. Well, the fishing's done. I'm just heading for the campsite now. So what's that, 6 fish for the day. So pretty tough going, as I expected. With the forecast winds. But you know, hey, we got a result. So that's good. A couple of great 5 pound fish. And those beautiful 3 fish I got in quick succession, really fat, healthy, younger fish. So yeah, it was a pretty good day considering. So looking forward to getting to the camp. I'll find a spot and I'll catch up with you a bit later on when I'm having a bit of a cook up. Cook everything on the fire while I'm there. Be some sort of stir fry tonight, maybe chicken or pork. Yeah, so sorry about not getting so many takes on film today. It's just the way the fish cooperated. So tomorrow, hopefully I'll do a bit better. We'll just wait and see what the weather's doing. If it's blowing, I'll go to one river. If it's nice and calm, I will go to another river. I wouldn't mind getting in the back country a bit while I'm down here. So if there's no wind, I might go with plan Z. So yeah, alright, I'll catch up with you shortly when I'm at the camp and got me fire and me pan on cooking. Alright crew, alright. G'day crew, I'm at the campsite. She's a little bit different from when I was here last time. My cooking fire pit no longer exists, and the other fire pits, which were all square, which you could sort of sit a pan on the corner of to cook, have disappeared. But I found 2 of them in the back corner. They're like this, these square ones in the back corner of the camp. So that's where I'm camping now, so I can cook my tea later. So got my firewood there, and just here got the old dryer going. Your socks hanging on aerials and windscreen wipers. And then around here the wind's dropped a bit, so I'm out of the sun in the shade, having a quick jack. before starting tea prep. So I'll get that underway shortly. Now the veggies. And pretty much done. A little bit of sweet and sour drizzled over the top of that, and that's my din dins. All cooked on the fire. Well, that's it. Din dins is done. There she is. Stir fried chicken. Bit of sweet and sour on top of it. It's going to be good. Well earned today, anyway. Oh, morning crew. Well, blew all last night. Let's see what it's doing now. See if it's stopped. No. Never mind. I just got the jug on. Just gonna boil some water for me brew and me porridge. Breakfast. Bit of porridge. Could have a brew as well, bit of go juice. So as you can see, the wind hasn't eased at all. So I'll finish this up and go exploring and see if I can find some shelter somewhere. Heading today, up over in there, it's pretty clear off on the windscreen. Yeah, so still blowing. I've accepted that fact, but hopefully I can find a bit of shelter somewhere today. Well, I'm on my way to the river. As you can tell, probably by my sideways beard, it's really blowing. So, but it should be blowing upstream, so that'll kind of help, but it's not going to help spot the fish, but hopefully I'll be able to blind fish some good looking runs and have a look in the eyes. Might be able to spot something in the eye. I mean, the river's a bit tannin stained here, but I saw a few last time, so hopefully I can find some this time. I think there's a fish up here sitting in here. We'll see what happens. Yep, it's a fish, all right. Good stuff. Oh man, well that was lucky. The wind had lulled just enough for me to see that fish. Don't want him to go downstream though, because if he does, I'm buggered. Fighting this fish quite a while now. I'm hoping I'm nearly got him. Oh yeah. Oh, good brownie. Oh wow, well that's good. First fish I've seen and I've got him. Hopefully the camera's not going to blow over there. Oh. Take two. So yeah, first fish I've seen. Great to get him. Yeah, so the wind is it's lulling and then it's blowing quite hard, then it's lulling again, so might just have to be a bit patient if I see the fish, just to wait for it to lull a bit. But 5 pound, a beautiful brownie. What a epic fight. Look at that. He's a cracker. He's a good brown. Love it. Beautiful. Look at that. Stunner. Okay, another fly change. Let's see what happens this time. Oh, I missed it again. Oh, I can't believe that. Boy, that's bad fishing, isn't it? Oh, there's a different fish. Oh, oh gosh. Oh well. That's a comedy of errors, that. Now both fish have gone. Oh well. Oh, well that's how it's not done, folks. Shape up here in the shallow water up here. So we'll see what happens. Oh, yes, good stuff. And there's a shape further up too. I don't know if that's a fish or not. Good stuff. Oh wow, it looks like the fish are going to be, well, apart from those the last two that I've marked up a bit, looks like the fish are going to be reasonably eager to feed, so that's good. Might be a bit thin, I might get it in a bit quicker if I can get my net. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's alright though. That's nice, number 2. So a bit thin, probably 3 pound, I didn't weigh him, but a bit long and lean. Doesn't like that wind, I don't blame you, but neither do I. But yeah, lovely spots on his back, another nice spotty back and head. There he goes. That time he died, didn't mind it. I think he refused it the first time because it might have bounced on the bottom. So I just pulled it up a little bit. And we're in. And I'm looking further up, and crikey, there might be one sitting up in the backwatery bit up here too. Great stuff. Might get this one in nice and quick too, I hope. Yep. Same spot as I landed that last fish. This one's slightly smaller. A little thin as well, but really dark. So they're beautiful looking fish. But yeah, this one's actually blind in its right eye. And the other eye, that's why it could be a bit thin. Okay. Found a shape up here. And, whoops. No, that's miles away. So is that. I might duck across and get it. No. He's into the lip. He's sort of Oh, this might be the one. Oh, there he goes. Oh, jeepers. Oh, hey. Oh, wow. Well, that's an explosive take, isn't it? Well, exploded after the strike, even like that. I thought, why is this nymph fighting me back? Great stuff. Oh yes, a great fish, this one. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that, yes. Great. Okay, so this is just a perfect 4.5 pound, lovely thick younger fish. No marks on it. Just beautiful. That is a good brown, good brown. Look at that, it's so deep. Thank you very much. Great. That's beautiful, that is. That's a great brownie. Yeah, there's one. Blind fishing this water for quite a while, trying to find some fish for you, and we got one finally. It's becoming hard to spot them in here with the wind that's been blowing. They haven't been sitting on the edge like they used to. Look at lovely brown. Dark back. Wow, number 5 for the day, and 5 pounds. Beautiful, beautiful, good brown this. Look at him, isn't he gorgeous? Hey, what a beautiful, beautiful brown trout. Yeah, lovely fat, great fight. Look at that for a brownie. I saw a brown, I saw a shape move up here, so I'm pretty sure it's a fish. Oh, 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 I missed him, I wasn't quite ready for him. Bugger. Oh, got him that time though. Yes, good stuff. Oh, great. How's yeah. Oh, cracking fish. Cracking brownie. Oh, I thought that last fish was a blooming cracking fish. This is another one, 5 pound. But, oh, the spots, the colours on this one. Oh, man, just absolutely friggin' gorgeous state of him. Hey? I'll show you the cheeks on this guy. I'll just give him a little, just quickly. Look at those. Look at those cheeks. Hey, spots on his back. Oh, just beautiful. That's a special fish, that is. Look at those markings. That is a very special fish. That is a good brown, good brown. Okay, buddy. Thank you. Right, back to the fishing. There's one up there, definitely. Oh, I think there's one up there. There he goes. Bring him down. There could be more in there actually, if I can. Oh, these fish are just the most stunning colours. Oh, wants to get in that log there. Come on. No, you can get away from there, buddy. Oh yeah, this is cracking fish, this one. Oh, lovely brown by the looks of that. Isn't he? Whoa! Oh, boy, has he got some tail? You're not going in there yet. Oh, yes you are. Come out of there. See if I can just bounce him across the rocks here, so he can't accelerate away. There we go. Yes. Oh, thumper. Oh wow, this is just a thumper of a fish. This is a really good brown, folks. 5.5 pound, nearly 6, 5 3/4, whatever. But look at the state of this guy. Look at that. He is just a lump of a fish, and yeah, that's number 7 for the day, so happy angling. Okay, so here's the fish I saw from the other side. Very hard to see from this side. I'm pretty sure that's him up there. See what happens here. Yep, there he goes. Oh, good stuff. Oi. Whoa, he's a leaper. Oh, he's off again. Oh boy, he's got some toe. Oh man. I just hope he's a really good fish and I haven't foul hooked him, because man, he's got some pull. Oh wow. 4.5 pound, but oh, solid, just solid fat. I can't even hold on to it. Just a solid fat, lovely, beautiful brown. Look at that. Oh, what a day. That's 8, I think, for the day. Younger Jack. Beautiful. Condition on these browns. Trout right in the middle here. I don't know if he's spooked or not. He might be. Okay. Yeah, he's not a happy fish. I didn't even see him. It's right in front of me. Oh well. Oh, there he goes. No. Well, there you go. Trout, eh? They do some strange things sometimes. Oh, yeah. Oh, and the hook's pulled. Oh well. Thank you, buddy. Carry on. Oh well. Gonna head back to the truck now. Walked a fair distance. But feeling a bit knackered, so I'm gonna go back to the truck, and I'm gonna go. I will really want to go back to a little wee stream, which should be okay in this wind. There's not many fish in it, but I lost a plonking good brownie in there maybe 3 years ago, and I'd just like to go back and maybe redeem myself. So 8 fish here in this river today in these challenging conditions. I think if the wind wasn't here, I would have got many more. I would have seen more, and maybe wouldn't have bombed up as many as I bombed as well, but never mind. It's a good day so far. There's a reasonable pool up ahead of me, so who knows? But yeah, so here it is here. So yeah, let's carry on up and see how we get on. Bloody paradise ducklings diving under the water, and saw this big shape heading. Oh yeah, there it is. I don't know if this fish will feed now or not. If I can find him. Looks like a good brownie. Looks like a real good brownie. Oh, I don't know. Oh, maybe the nymph's too deep. Been a bit high in the water column. Might be deeper there than I think. See what happens this time. Ooh. He's looking but won't take it. Yes, got him that time. Oh boy, this is a good brown for this river, this creek. Oh great. Oh, lucky there. Oh, missed him. Oh boy, he's a fat fish. Uh-oh. Really got to make sure the first netting's the best netting. Get him first time every time. Let's get his head up now if I can. And yes! Oh wow! That's a crazy fish. Oh wow! Well, yes! I'm so pleased to get him after those bloomin' ducks. Dove and sort of spooked him a bit, but got him, landed him. 7 pound. Good brown, good brown. Boy, oh boy, check this guy out. Oh, set him in the water there. Far out. That's a big fish for this little stream. And he's just gorgeous. Spots all on his back. Look at those. Look at those. goes. Look at that. Wow. Oh, well, he slipped out of my hands, but hopefully you saw him as he left and went back into his home. So what an amazing, amazing fish. That's just made the trip so worthwhile. So if I get another fish today, I'll be pretty happy. Otherwise, phew, wow. Day done. Day 2 of 2 done. So wow, that last fish, just absolutely incredible. I love the surprises trout fishing can bring. So yeah, it's been a tough trip, windy trip as you've seen, but we got it done in the end. And what did we get today? 9 fish today, 6 yesterday, 15. That's all right. It's certainly better than nothing. So yeah, so I got a bit of a hike to get back home now. I was gonna camp the night again and actually go to that stream tomorrow, but fairly buggered, so I think I'll get home, surprise the wife maybe, and celebrate with a vino or something this evening. So cheers for checking in anyway all, and I'll catch you somewhere soon on the water, I hope. See you later. Hooroo!